Hi friends, it's Julia, and today I'm playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life round number 7. Today is number 14. Woohoo! And you can play along with us if you want to. Christy's Facebook group, she will post the sketches up there every day, or I will show a close-up of the sketch and you can pause the video and play along. Or if you put in the hashtag 30DSCBL7, you should come up with all the YouTube videos that have the same hashtag. Or if you put it in on Instagram, you'll find the same thing there, everybody who's posted photos there. So if you want to play along, there's all these opportunities. Anyway, so today's sketch is by Sketches in Time. The designer is Laura Rumble, and this is it. It shows a sketch here. It's got 2 photos, and then it's got actually the journaling around the center, an embellishment cluster with some mixed media fill here, and then a I don't know if this was supposed to be part of the design or if it was part of the title for Sketches in Time to have this little banner over here, but I thought it looked kind of fun and thought I might repeat it when I create this sketch. So some of the things that I have pulled out to use, I have pulled out 3 papers, 2 of them from the Close to My Heart kit that I had pulled for this kit, which are these 2, the green and this brown with wood grain with this design element. I really didn't think I would like it, but this sketch kind of works for that, to use that. So I thought, okay, I'll try it. The back side is the pink symmetrical dot. You know, it's got like lines of dots on it. Anywho, so I have those 2, and then I pulled in one of the extra pieces that I added. This is an SEI from Mia Bella, and it's called Evening Promenade. This side is really cute, but I actually pulled it for this side because it has that hint of peachy orange and red. So I'm going to pull some peachy orange complements into this, as well as I think there's going to be a few red and yellow instances. So I have 2 photos that I'm going to use, and I will cut those down to 3x4s. I have labels that I have pulled out. I have pulled out all 4 styles of labels that I have. I have pulled out all 3 styles of washi stickers that I have. I have pulled in these rub-ons. I don't know that I'll use these, but I'll try. I pulled in some cork stickers that are part of the kit. I pulled in these K & Company stickers again. I'm going to try and use some of those. I pulled in this Heidi Grace mini word sticker sheet. I pulled in these rub-ons again. I pulled in both of these Bow Bunny chipboard, layered chipboard embellishment packs that I picked up sometime in the last couple of years from Tuesday Morning. I'm going to try and use maybe 1 or 2 pieces from those. I pulled in some more of these Hobby Lobby embellishments, floral embellishments. I pulled some of these embellishments. I pulled some of the Heidi Swap embellishments. I pulled some of the chipboard pieces. Yeah, and I think that's everything that I have pulled so far. If I choose to pull in anything else, I have tons of stuff here. You guys have probably seen it if you've been watching any of my videos in the last couple of weeks. Anyway, guys, I will show you a close-up of the photo or of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. So stick around and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, I'm back and I am done with sketch number 14. This one was a Sketches in Time sketch using 2 photos, and had that really cute journaling around there, and it looks like maybe some mixed media stuff. You guys know me, I'm not going to do the mixed media stuff. Here's what I have left over as far as pattern paper goes. Not much. The branding strip, and then a little bit of that wood grain that I cut off around the edges, and then this piece that was an add-in piece. Yeah, so that will go back into my stash to continue using as a scrap. I used these stickers. I used these washi strips. I had a portion of a washi strip, and I used a gold heart, a black striped heart, and then a word from here. Then I used these labels. I used one here and one here. I used a gold label from here. And I used the words "Love Us" off here. And I did use a couple one sticker from this sheet, and I did use a rub-on from here. And what I didn't use, I didn't use all of these elements here. So those will go right back into my bin. No, wait, I did use these. Sorry, the ones that I didn't use I put back. These are ones that I did use. All of these are flat back pearls that I used, or enamel dots, or bling. I did not use either of these washi strips here, so those will go back into my stash. I did not use either of these label stickers from either sheet, so those will go back in. I did not use this rub-on sheet, so I still don't know how well those work, but I'll keep it in. I may get some use out of it at some point. All of these little embellishments that I added from my one little embellishment pack, I did not use all these little frames. And these Heidi Swap little sayings on here, I didn't use those. I did not use this Bow Bunny sticker sheet. And I did not use the cork sheet. So I'm putting a lot back that I didn't use, but I feel like I used a ton of stuff. So let me move all of this out of the way. And here's the layout that I created. Like I said, I don't know if on the original sketch this was just part of the title, the sketches in time, because it's colored and the rest of the sketch is black and white, but it felt right to have something up in that corner, so I added something. In order to make this floral embellishment fit, I had to do a lot of cutting and splicing together. I cut off all the leaf design that was around here and just layered them up over here. I used the enamel dots, the flat back pearls. I used a sticker here. There's a rub-on. I used a couple of the banner dies, or banner ephemera pieces here. There's a chipboard there. I put my label stickers up here. That's where I used that one little washi word and the hearts. Put my date here, a chipboard heart here, another one of those ephemera bits from Hobby Lobby, more flat back pearls and enamel dots, a little sticker that layered embellishment. The title is Love Us, another piece of chipboard, the flat back pearls all down here, and another one of those embellishment pieces there. And there's a couple of the washi strips down here and that other label and sticker. I did use the background paper to create the border for the photos. I just cut it from there and then used that pinkish, or not pinkish, the peachy color pattern paper to create borders to go around the photos. So let me give you a few little close-ups here, and I will have close-up photos at the end of the video, so make sure stay tuned for those. And if you are interested in seeing other layouts in this series that I have created, please feel free to go over to my YouTube channel, to the playlist that's hashtag 30DSCBL7, and you will find all the layouts that I have created along this series. This series is actually on layouts 10 through 20. I plan to use the same kit. I use the same kit for layouts 1 through 10, and for layouts 11 through 20, I plan to use one kit, and it is my April 2020 Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit that never got used last year. I will, if I remember, try and link to the video that has the entire kit in its entirety, with the exception of the added in papers. I don't know if you guys watched a couple of days ago. I told you I had added in papers at some point from SCI, and I think there's one or two other manufacturers, but I think the bulk were SCI. I don't know when I did that. I think it may have been at some point when I was reorganizing my room last year and moving my furniture around. So it may have been at that point. I'm not 100% certain, but the additional papers got moved in, and I am using them with this kit. So we'll see how many more layouts that I can come up with. My plan is to get through 20, but if I'm still going strong and have plenty of embellishments, then I will keep going forward with it. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for close-ups, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.